Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medical Studies. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss discovery of homeopathy. Medical scenario of the 18th century. The 18th century in Europe was marked by numerous theories and hypotheses about disease, a lack of fixed principle of healing. Therapeutic methods were diverse, uncertain, often contradictory. This confused and dissatisfied sincere physicians at that time. So in 18th century in Europe, there were many theories, ideas about diseases, but without having any fixed principle, any fixed laws. Hahnemann's dissatisfaction with orthodox medicine. Hahnemann observed futility of prevailing medical methods, mischievous and harmful practices. He believed pretending to cure without true healing was unethical. As an honest physician, he abandoned routine medical practice, refused to earn by false cures. So, Dr. Hahnemann was unhappy with this confusion. He believed that the existing medical methods were unreliable and sometimes harmful. So, like a noble and honest man, he refused to earn by false cures and he stopped medical practice. After leaving medical practice, Hahnemann devoted himself to translating great medical classics. In 1790, Hahnemann translated Cullen's Materia Medica from English to German. Cullen stated, Cinchona bark cures malaria due to its bitterness and tonic action on the stomach. Hahnemann found this explanation unsatisfactory. So, in 1790, when Hahnemann was busy in translating Cullen's Materia Medica, he read that Cinchona bark cures malaria because of its bitterness and its tonic effects on stomach. But Hahnemann did not agree with this explanation. He found this explanation is unsatisfactory. To discover the true action of cinchona, Hahnemann ingested 4 grams of cinchona juice taken twice daily for several days, and he developed symptoms similar to malarial fever. So, to find the true action of cinchona, Hahnemann took cinchona juice himself, 4 grams of cinchona juice twice daily for several days, and as a result, he developed symptoms similar to malaria. This surprised him and created a new idea in his mind. This experiment revealed a drug produces in healthy individuals symptoms similar to the disease it cures. This unexpected observation created a new train of thought, became the foundation of homeopathy. So, the Hahnemann found that in the healthy persons, the medicines produce symptoms very similar to what they cure in diseased individuals. Hahnemann conducted further experiments on himself and other healthy individuals. He found that medicines produce symptoms in healthy persons. These symptoms resemble those cured in sick persons. This confirmed his hypothesis scientifically. Medicines cure diseases only because they can produce similar symptoms in healthy individuals. Entire homeopathy is based on this law. This marked that a revolutionary breakthrough and a new dimension in medical science. So, after the Syncona experiment, Hahnemann performed similar experiments not only on himself but on other healthy people using different medicines. He observed that medicines produce symptoms in healthy individuals. These symptoms are similar to the disease they cured. Law of similia similibus curantur means likes are cured by likes. This idea was known earlier to many thinkers like Hippocrates, Stahl, Boldak, Ditharding, but none of them developed it into a complete system. Hahnemann was the first who clearly explained this law. He proved it scientifically and established homeopathy as a system of medicine. Hahnemann opposed the old rule that is contraria contraris curantur, which means opposite cures opposite. He criticized palliative and suppressive treatment. Even Stahl stated that this rule is entirely wrong. Hahnemann went far beyond discovery. He developed different principles like law of similia, law of simplex, law of minimum, doctrine of drug proving, theory of chronic diseases, theory of vital force, doctrine of drug dynamization. and he created a scientific system of healing. Homeopathy became complete logical and experience based system. Hahnemann did not stop at discovery only. He developed homeopathy into a scientific system. After 6 years of experiment, he published his first homeopathic article in Huffland's journal, an essay on a new principle for ascertaining the curative power of drugs and some examinations of the previous principles. This article officially introduced the law of similia. In 1805, Hahnemann published The Medicine of Experience. This was the first attempt to explain homeopathic principle. He emphasized that medicine should be based on experience and not on imagination or speculations. With the publication of Organon of Medicine in 1810, homeopathy became complete, logical, experience-based and scientifically organized. It provided with scientific basis of homeopathic practice, method of testing drugs, selection of remedy, etc. Scientific contributions of Dr. Hahnemann. Medicine was placed on a scientific footing. Drug proving on healthy individuals was introduced. Individualized treatment became important. Medicine changed from speculation to experience. Dr. Hahnemann was not just a critic of old medicine, but a constructive genius whose work transformed medical science.